Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where innovation meets elegance and every space tells a story of thoughtful design. Today, we're exploring a vision of modern living that blends beauty, comfort, and intelligent technology into one seamless experience. Every detail has the power to transform an ordinary space into something extraordinary, creating an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and inviting. Modern architecture continues to evolve beyond impressive appearances. Today's homes are designed to respond to changing lifestyles, balancing sophistication with functionality. Clean lines, open layouts, natural light, and carefully selected materials work together to create interiors that feel timeless while embracing the future. Every surface, texture, and finish contribute to an environment that inspires relaxation, creativity, and everyday comfort. Luxury is no longer defined simply by expensive materials or grand spaces. It is found in the way a home adapts to the people who live in it. Intelligent features blend seamlessly into the architecture, enhancing privacy, convenience, and ambiance without disrupting the beauty of the design. Technology becomes almost invisible, allowing the focus to remain on the experience rather than the equipment itself. Nature also plays an essential role in modern design. Organic textures, greenery, flowing water, and abundant daylight create spaces that feel calm and refreshing. These natural elements soften contemporary architecture, bringing warmth and harmony while strengthening the connection between indoor and outdoor living. The result is a home that feels alive, peaceful, and perfectly balanced. Attention to detail is what truly sets exceptional design apart. From elegant lighting to carefully crafted finishes, every element works together to create a cohesive atmosphere. The combination of innovation and artistry allows each room to become more than just a functional space. It becomes a place where comfort, style, and inspiration exist in perfect harmony. As new ideas continue to shape the future of architecture and interior design, the possibilities become even more exciting. Creative thinking and advanced technologies are opening doors to homes that are more beautiful, sustainable, and personalized than ever before. The future of luxury living is about creating spaces that enrich everyday life while reflecting individual style and vision. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through modern design. If you enjoy discovering breathtaking architecture, innovative home ideas, and luxurious living concepts, be sure to support Modern Homes and Gardens by liking this video, sharing it with friends and family, and subscribing for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and keep exploring the future of beautiful living with Modern Homes and Gardens.